Hello guys! Ask ko lang, na-try nyo na bang gumawa ng tomato paste, yung do-it-yourself lang, tomato juices? Kasi if you haven't, let's start making it. Kasi ano siya, it's also my first time doing my own tomato-based sauces. And it's really fascinating kasi yung plano ko dito is to make tomato paste, tomato puree, tomato ketchup, and tomato sauce. That's for my cooking. And medyo na-delay ito ng konti. I had to freeze it after I boil it for 30 minutes kasi I had been busy with a lot of things and orders I had to attend to it. So yung process ito guys is boil it for 30 minutes and then you cool it down. Kung may time kayo na i-peel siya one by one, it would be better. Pero kung wala naman, pwede nyo gamitan ng blender. So, ang kailangan nyo lang talaga dito guys is time, love, and kailangan siyang effortan. Kasi after mo ma-puree yan, kailangan mo siya i-strain ng paunti-unti. Kasi hindi mo siya pwedeng i-strain lang maramihan. And you have to separate the seeds and yung mga skin niya, kung may skin pa siya, paglagay nyo sa blender, you have to separate it with the meat. So, yun yung pinaka-tedious part ng paggawa nito. Yung mga pulp na yan na may seeds, huwag nyo itapon yan kasi nagagamit pa din natin yan. You just need to freeze it. And yan, nakagawa ko ng 2 baso. I just set aside 2 glasses out of 12 kilos of tomato. Hindi naman ako lugi dito kasi pagbili ko nito, it's only 10 pesos per kilo. So, nag-try lang ako ng 15 kilos. Ginamit ko yung 3 kilos for my dishes. And yung 12 kilos yung ginamit ko for this. And so far, if I'm going to compare it to buying it from the market and doing it your own, I would say na for yung hindi masyadong nagluluto, hindi masyadong mahaba yung pasansya sa pagluluto, I would say na mas practical talaga bumili kasi mas madali siya, easy, it's very convenient. But ito lang kasi, I'm out of curiosity and out of love na din kasi I'm just really curious on how to make it. So, ito yung curiosity side ko, which I would not recommend for people that doesn't really have the time like I do now. Pero at least ba, na-try ko lang siya at shinare ko na din kung paano siya. Kasi madali lang siya, kaso lang magawa siya. Pero, yun nga, curiosity led me to doing this. So, and I'm so happy that I did. And I'm sure maa-addict na naman ako dito sa paggawa ng mga ganito. So, yan, di ba? Nakaka-amaze lang how these sauces are made. Kaya naging curious ako. And this is not gonna be the first not gonna be the first and last na paggawa ko nito kasi I will also take it on video kung paano ko gagawin yung ketchup out of tomato paste. Yon, 'di ba? So yung pulp, wag niyo itapon guys. You can still use it for cooking. And to do this, you just have to put it in a pot under low fire. Kailangan mahina lang yung apoy niya. And then hanggang sa mag-evaporate lahat ng liquid niya. Yun lang ang paggawa ng paste. And pwede mo siyang iset aside yung iba for later use. You can freeze it. And yung iba naman kasi dito, gagawin kong ketchup. So yun lang guys. I'm gonna show you how to make the ketchup on our next videos. So, yan yun. Finish na tong paste na to. So, if you want to see how I make the ketchup, just follow for more. Thank you. Bye!